Hello everyone, welcome to Topper IS. So as part of our daily series, today also we will look into few of the issues, few of the headlines taken from your Hindu as well as PIB. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one is with respect to a new ministry. So government has set up a new ministry with the name Ministry of Cooperation. So what is the essence or the reason for setting up the ministries? So we want to realize the vision of Sahakar se Samruddhi. So Sahakar se Samruddhi, you mean cooperate to achieve a prosperity. Okay. So that is the intent behind setting up a new ministry of cooperation. So this ministry will provide a separate administrative, legal and policy framework for strengthening the cooperative movement in the country. Okay, and it helps in deepening the cooperatives as a true people-based movement reaching up to the grassroots. So, cooperative model where local people will come together to achieve certain shared economic objective. And you already, know the examples like Amul cooperative model has been very successful in India and leading to, white revolution milk production in the country. Okay. So this Ministry of Cooperation helps to further deepen the cooperative movement in the nation. And in our country, as of now, cooperative-based economic development model is very relevant, where each member works with the spirit of responsibility. So, economic development, cooperative-based economic development model is very necessity as of now. Then, ministry will work to streamline the process of ease of doing business for the cooperatives and enable development of multi-state cooperatives. So, as I said, entire administrative, legal, and policy framework will be dealt by Ministry of Cooperation related to cooperatives. So, they will also streamline the process of ease of doing business for these cooperatives. So, that was the news. So, you can also link it with certain examples and where do you find cooperatives in your polity. Okay, fundamental rights, DPSP, and all those stuff. Then we have Matsya Setu app. So this is the app which have been released. So what is the function of app is? It is intending to help aqua farmers of the country. So how does it help? It helps by disseminating information, knowledge related to new aquaculture technologies. So this app has n number of subject wise self-learning online courses or species wise online course modules, and these modules will be delivered by experts in the aquaculture field. So what all things they do is they will be explaining the basic concepts and practical demonstrations related to breeding, seed production, and growth culture. So particularly with respect to certain species like carp, catfish, and ornamental fishes and others. Okay. Then also they will be explaining you related to how to have better management practices so that you maintain a soil and certain water quality. Okay, so these all things will be part of course module, and this app is developed by ICAR, Indian Council for Agriculture Research, along with Central Institute for Freshwater Aquaculture, Bhubaneswar. So funding support has been given by National Fisheries Development Board, Hyderabad. Okay. So remember Matsya Setu app related to aquaculture. Then Khadi Prakritika paint. So Prakritika natural meaning is so new plant has been set up in the campus of Kumarappa National Handmade Paper Institute at Jaipur. This is actually a unit of Khadi and Village Industries Commission and related to the Khadi Prakritik paint. This is India's first cow dung paint developed by Khadi and Village Industries Commission. It is an innovative, eco-friendly and cost-effective product inspired from the age-old tradition of coating the walls and floor of the houses with cow dung. So if you already read the history and all, you come across Bhimbetka paintings and all those stuff, right? Where cow dung was used for coating the walls and floor. Even now it is used in villages. So what they have done is the ancient practice now has been redesigned into a modern product of emulsion paint, okay, by scientifically treating the cow dung. The paint is washable, waterproof, durable, and dries quickly in just 4 hours. So certain features, apart from that, this paint also conforms to Bureau of Indian Standards. And what is the objective of developing this paint is increasing the farmer's income, creating sustainable livelihood through technology transfer, and providing high quality of paint to the general public at reasonable price. So these are all the objectives of the coming out of the paint. Okay. Then certain natural benefits. It is eco-friendly. So compared to artificial paints, it is eco-friendly. Then antibacterial, antifungal, non-toxicity. These are the features. It is also odorless, free from heavy metals, and natural thermal insulator and cost effective. So these are the certain Ashtalaba, like they say, it is the 8 natural benefits. Then the next news is with respect to Bengal passing a resolution. It passes a resolution to set up a council. So West Bengal Assembly has passed a resolution by 2/3 majority to set up a legislative council. India, basically has a bicameral system of legislature. So just as parliament has 2 houses, even states can also have 2 houses, legislative assembly and legislative councils. That is what we mean by bicameral legislature. So where do you find the mentioning of legislative council? Actually under Article 169 of the Indian Constitution, you come across a procedure related to creation and opposition of legislative council. So parliament can abolish a legislative council or create it by a simple majority. That is a majority of the members of the each house present and waiting. If the legislative assembly of the concerned state by a special majority passes a resolution to that. So now Bengal has passed a resolution with a special majority. Now parliament has to give the approval or not based on a simple majority. Okay. So special majority implies a majority of total membership of the assembly and majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of the assembly present and voting. So this is the procedure. So remember the factual stuff, creation of a legislative council, and also remember the number of states having legislative councils. So that's it for today. You can also download the PDF of this document in the link that is shared below, and do download Topperize Institute app so that you get access to a number of videos which will be helping in your preparation. Thank you.